Howdy, all y'alls. I'm supposed to go out and change the fuel pump module or assembly on my Crown Vic today. But I actually had something pretty cool happen yesterday. I ordered some parts from taillight parts from my GMC from CarParts.com, and it was kind of weird when what I ordered was taillight lenses, and well, they sent me a great big box with a little box in it. One little box. And inside it, the big box was one little box with the right-hand side taillight lens. And I was kind of perplexed about that. I'm like, okay, that's weirdness. And didn't make any sense. Well, I waited a couple days for them to send me the next taillight. So I was expecting another big box with a little box. Well, I talked to the customer service rep and she said, or he said, we sent both of them. I'm like, no, you didn't. And I didn't get upset. There's no profit in getting upset over something. So I explained that the way the delivery person dropped the stuff off is it was in a white unmarked van. It was one of those Dodge Carryall or whatever. It wasn't a Ford Transit. But I was home when he dropped it off and took off. And he left it way out at the gate of my front yard. He didn't even bother to bring it up to the door. Now my neighborhood's it's not a bad neighborhood. I like my neighbors, but it has crossed through pedestrian traffic, which those people aren't so nice because there's an area fairly close that's it's transient, and so things get stolen, especially when it's easy to just open the gate and grab it and go. So I was thinking everything got stolen. Now, I called yesterday to carparts.com and I said, hey, I didn't receive I got the right-hand side taillight assembly, but I didn't get the left-hand side taillight assembly. And they said, well, we sent it. And I'm like, I'm sure you did. I'm not debating your honesty or anything like that. I'm sure it got sent. So, the person whose name is Virgil, was very nice and everything like that. And it took about, I don't know, 15 or 20 minutes. Well, they sent me another, a taillight. Not another taillight, but they sent me the left-hand side taillight. And this is from carparts.com. And yes, I am promoting them, but I'm not getting paid. I'm not getting a discount. Well, to my shock and amazement this morning, they FedExed me overnight the left-hand side lens. So I'm really pleased with that. And I just had to post that because that's going above and beyond. I was willing to wait whatever the normal delay was, but the weirdest thing is I knew that something wasn't entirely kosher when I got a big box with one little box where they could have fit these two lenses together in that big box. So my fear for carparts.com is watch your warehouse, because there might be people working for you who are skimming parts from your company. And that's not a good thing, because it causes... I got great prices on these parts. Now, that's the first part, carparts.com. And it's kind of dumb. Let's see. But so I also buy stuff from a company called LMC, and they do truck parts for all kinds of trucks and stuff like that. Well, in my last one of my videos, I changed out the ignition lock on my truck, and there's a little assembly on there for the turn signal cancel. So I ordered what I thought would be a complete unit. No, I was wrong. So this little part here, you can see it looks like a little castle up here. Well, it doesn't come with the horn button part. So I got this and I was like, well, darn it, that's not what I wanted. And I didn't realize on their website that they actually have a separate kit. And so I received another package. From LMC, which is right behind me. Just a sec. Which I'll bet you. Now, when you're on the LMC website, pay attention, because they have a lot of little stuff that they have. You know, screws, nuts, kits, stuff like that. I buy stuff from them when they have stuff that is OEM. Not that I really care for my GMC. Because I'm not a purist. I'm a hot rodder. So about that. Zena's helping. Do you want to sniff? Do you want to sniff? Huh, kitty cat? Ow. You want to play? You want to play with it? Kitty, go get it. Go get it. Chicken butt. So anyway, what happened? Ow. She's inspecting. So they sent me well, I'm getting all these bags, you know, and this is actually pretty cool because for my bagpiping stuff, one can never have too many plastic bags, in my opinion. But that's because I do all kinds of stuff that nobody else approves of with unapproved bagpipes. What's that? Is that a fresh box? Oh, there's Jules. Get it. So I got Xena and Jules. Do you want to inspect? My cats like me and I like my cats. And my cats live a long time. So there. So anyway, from LMC, it's too bright. There, like that. Got my horn button kit. Now I gotta make sure I put it in the other bag with this. Because since I got this, why not install the brand new one? That just makes perfect sense, doesn't it? It also gives me an opportunity to make a video on how to take apart that the steering wheel assembly. And the reason why I'm going to do that is because my clicker, turn signal clicker thing is acting funny and I don't know why. It's not working properly, but it's never worked 100%. So and I've had it for years. So here I am being ultra thrifty for no good reason. Got my horn kit. I got another box. That I don't know what's in it. Now, here's the thing. Now, it appears like I'm spending a lot of money on a lot of parts. I'm not actually spending a lot of money on parts. I've been on disability since January. My doctor won't let me go back to work, so that's not a problem. So what I did, because I really trusted it, there's a, what, have faith but trust no one, something, acronym, some statement like that, which is I can't count on anybody. Not because there's something wrong with people. People are people, so they're normal. So anyway, the thing is, I knew that I needed to keep income up while I'm on disability, and because I have a foot wound, it's going to take a long time to heal, which I'm hoping to address this week. So what I did is I took out a loan for 10 grand and put it all in the stock market, and all I've been doing is taking my gains out because I have it spread out. So technically this stuff, because I still have my principal for after 3 months and I've been paying my bills and everything like that, I still have my principal. So when I'm done, when I start making paychecks again, I still have my money to pay off the loan, because the loan is 27%. And so doing that, I can still pay off my loan completely because I've already paid a specific payment that covers the principal for whatever. So if I pay it off, it's just zero. So that's what I'm planning on doing, but it's so tempting to just keep that money in the bank, because the way I do trading is I don't have enough money to day trade. But watch out, because the thing is, I have a Robinhood account, which is really easy to use, and I use that for convenience. But when I start day trading, I'm going to transfer everything over to my TD Ameritrade account, because the thing is with the TD Ameritrade account is I have my Bollinger Bands, fast stochastic and slow stochastic. I wish they had another stochastic on there, like I can do with big charts, but because I know how to day trade, and I need to, the minimum limit is $25,000 in your account before you can day trade, and then they say don't use more than 1% or 10% to day trade. Well, still, that's a little tiny amount of money to day trade, so you're kind of stuck day trading penny stocks, and that's a lot of work. And I only invest in dividend paying stocks. So Jules is down here inspecting. Come here, Jules. Kitty, kitty. Come on up. Come on up. Say hi. This is Jules. This is my Mr. Sumo cat. Come here. Xena is a very delicate cat. This cat is L. Brutus, okay? He likes the full rough treatment, deep, I guess you would call it deep massage. This cat likes to be beat up. He likes to wrestle. He doesn't bite hard. He doesn't use his claws. The only thing is he likes to eat toes. So this is Jules. Hi, kitty. So anyway, I inherited these guys from my mom, because she's still alive. She just has too many critters, and she's got health problems on her own. So anyway, I'm rambling, and I still have one other package. I don't know what is in it. Big yellow package. We want to inspect? What is that? You want to inspect? See? What? Xena doesn't really care. You want to see? Look. Meow. There's nothing in there. Ready? You want to chase it? Hey. You want to chase that? What is that? What's that? See, I like cats. Dogs are cool. Dogs are emotionally dependent. So, uh-oh. Can I see this for a sec? Yeah. He weighs a ton. 13-pound cat that generates 40 pounds of force. Okay, that's LMC. I threw the other one out, but it most likely is carparts.com or Parts Geek. So, my truck, my side ambers are not amber anymore. So, how cool is that? So, it's been a good day. I'm slowly just getting everything together. Now, with LMC trucks, I ordered gaskets and the U-nuts and the Torx screws so that everything matches and everything like that. I'm not trying to turn this truck into a show truck. What I'm doing is just bringing it back up to spec. Now, if there's anybody out there, LMC. My truck is the 8-foot bed with the fleet side, and I had a blowout in Kingston, Arizona, which really damaged the bed. It was already damaged before then. I'm joking, okay, because I pay full retail for everything. I don't want to deal with all the complications of taxes. So, I need to get the passenger side long bed panel with the square hole, because my truck's at 84, to get that upgraded. And then I need to get a new set of carriage bolts for the bed, because one of them twists and I'm going to have to, I can't tighten it as tight as I want it. So anyway, that's kind of my projects. I still have to do the fuel module on my Crown Vic. I don't really want to do it because, well, I'm just being lazy. That's what it is. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's my car parts stuff. But carparts.com is pretty awesome. Parts Geek. I have no complaints about any of this stuff. Yeah, they're all packaged really nice. You know what? These would be good if you're a shooter. Good little ammo boxes. I get these cool boxes and then I keep them forever. And then I'm like, what? My house is getting all cluttered. Look how pretty that is. I might do a video later today on this. So, but then I had to wait for it to be dark time and all that stuff. I'm going to do a separate video on these. Alrighty, so that's my reveal. Thanks for watching. I still have to do a review on my Bagpipes Galore. I got a valve for my Bagpipes Galore bagpipes. So anyway, this has been too long of a video. And my cats. Now you know both my cats. There's Xena and Jules. Jules is the sumo cat. He loves to be beat up. Not abused. He just loves hard thumping. So, now he's just covering the boxes all of a sudden. So anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good day. And, darn it, I have to take a shower and shave so I can go to church later tonight. I'm going to church because I need that social contact. This not working stuff is for the birds. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.